In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use saved audio on your Instagram story. Now some people have that option and some people do not. Let me quickly show you. Now just like that, open up any video or a photo and then you can tap on this sticker icon on the top and search for music. Once you do that, here you should have an option of saved, but if you don't, there is another way that you can add that particular saved song to your story. For that, you need to head back and then tap on the plus icon and then open up the reel and do the same process. Now what you can do is open up the reel and then simply add in the photo or the video that you want to add in the music to. Now we are doing this because Reels has an option to add in the saved music. Tap on the music option right here on the top. It'll give you an option where it says saved right here. And here it's going to give you all of your saved music. You can simply tap on a particular music and you'll be able to hear that the music will be added to this particular video. Now what you want to do is tap on download on the top right. Now this video will be downloaded along with the music. After the video has been saved, you can head back, tap on your story on the top left, tap on the story, tap on and select the video that you just downloaded, and there you go, you'll have the audio that you just added on the reel section. Now you can post it to your story. So that was the process. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.